In this guide, we'll explore 4 detailed and effective ways to perform ZTE data recovery. Part 1. How to recover ZTE data through ZTE backup. ZTE phones often come with the built-in backup and restore app, which allows users to back up data such as contacts, messages, photos, and system settings. If you set up backups beforehand, restoring your lost data can be quick. Step 1. Open the Backup and Restore app on your ZTE phone. Step 2. Choose Restore from the main menu. Step 3. Select the backup file you created earlier. Backups are usually stored locally or on an SD card. Step 4. Pick the data categories you want to restore: contacts, SMS, call logs, photos, etc. Step 5. Tap OK and wait for the process to complete. Part 2. How to perform ZTE data recovery with Google account. If your ZTE device has been linked to Google, you can restore data seamlessly. Step 1. On your ZTE phone, go to Settings, Accounts, Google. Step 2. Sign in with the Google account you used before. Step 3. Enable sync for the data types you need: contacts, calendar, drive, etc. Step 4. For a complete device restore, perform a factory reset first, then log in with your Google account during setup. Select Restore from Backup when prompted. You can also open Google Photos or Google Drive to re-download any cloud-stored files. Part 3. How to conduct ZTE data recovery via cloud service. Cloud storage apps like Dropbox or OneDrive, etc., are designed exactly for file preservation. If you uploaded important photos, videos, or documents to Dropbox before deletion, you can easily bring them back. Step 1. Download and install the Dropbox app on your ZTE phone if it's not already installed. Step 2. Log in using your Dropbox account credentials. Step 3. Browse to the folder containing your saved files. Step 4. Tap the files and choose Download to save them back to your phone. You can log in on a computer for batch downloads if you need to restore many files too. Part 4. How to do ZTE data recovery by Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android. Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android deeply scans your ZTE device's internal memory and SD card to retrieve lost data. Step 1. Install and launch the program on your Windows or Mac computer. Step 2. Connect your ZTE phone via USB cable and enable USB debugging on your device when prompted. Once the connection is established, select the data types you want to recover and click Next to begin scanning. Step 3. For media files, you can choose between a quick scan, faster but less thorough, or a deep scan, more comprehensive. Please note that scanning all files may require rooting your device. Step 4. After the scan, browse through the results in the left panel. Select the folders or items you wish to restore and click Recover to save them on your computer.